Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study MSK anatomy. Begin by understanding the big picture, focusing on how muscles, bones, and nerves connect and interact. Don't just memorize, visualize the movements and functions. Use high-quality anatomical atlases and 3D apps to see structures from multiple angles. This foundational approach makes learning much more intuitive and less overwhelming. Visual learning is key for musculoskeletal anatomy. Repeatedly label blank diagrams of bones and muscles to solidify your memory. Explore interactive 3D models on your tablet or computer to grasp complex spatial relationships. Crucially, test yourself often using flashcards or practice questions. This active recall method is far more effective than passive reading for long-term retention. Apply your knowledge by thinking about how anatomical structures function in real-world movements or injuries. This contextual learning deepens understanding beyond rote memorization. Implement spaced repetition by reviewing material at gradually longer intervals, like 1 day, 3 days, and then a week later. Aim for focused study sessions of about 25 to 30 minutes to maximize concentration. Don't hesitate to study with a group. Explaining concepts to others or discussing difficult topics can significantly enhance your understanding. Always rely on reputable textbooks and trusted online resources for accurate information. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to simplify your daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.